This is a mower I got in on trade for a mower I was selling, the Honda HRZ 216. He said it was self-propelled. He said it just stopped working. So I remember talking to him over through Messenger, asking him if he had a bag for it, and he found it in the garage. He never used it. It's brand new. Apparently, he used this as a mulcher. Says it has the mulch plug. This is a Craftsman made by Husqvarna, because the model number starts with 917. The actual full model number will be in the video description. This is self-propelled. Looks to be in pretty good shape. And again, he just said it's just stopped running. It is electric start. He didn't have the key. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the electric start out of it, and along with the starter and the battery, just to make it lighter, because it'll never work and no one's gonna ever want it to work and pay for it. So now when I was going through this, I did, my general thing is it does have gas in it. Oil looks good. Air filter wasn't bad, and it still wouldn't. And I sprayed some carb spray directly into the carburetor, and it still didn't start. So just as a whim, I took the spark plug out, and this was it. And I tested for spark. What you do to test for spark is you hook it back up to the wire, and then you just put it against the block and see if you get any kind of spark there. It didn't have any. So that's why it wouldn't start. So I just grabbed a used spark plug and put it in, and it is a torch plug. It's just whatever I grabbed. That one did have spark. So now you're gonna see here, it starts now. So I guess this is going to be one of those, just need the spark plug. And that's what it was. I'm going to go through it, sharpen the blade, check out the air filter. I might change the oil. I have to look at it again. It might be too high. And give it a bath. And I'm going to take out the electric start and battery. I won't show that. Back here with this Craftsman that I got in on trade. And this was just a spark plug. I've changed the oil and gave it a bath, sharpened the blade. Blade will actually look like it's been replaced, and so do the front wheels. Look like they've been replaced at some point, because they don't exactly match the rear wheels in color. So if you need a final start here, things I did is I took out the electric start, sharpened the blade, changed the oil, air filter's okay, washed it off, and changed the oil. So here you go. This is a primer style, probably about 6.5 foot-pounds of torque, maybe 6,225. There you go. The front self-propelled doesn't necessarily pull strong. That could be that it needs a new belt. So that'll be it for this one. I know this was short. I like them that way. Bye.